Okay, so what we're doing here is giving this adorable little 2 gig GTX 960 the opportunity to be all it can be. We have paired the 962 gig with an i9 13900K, 64 gigs of RAM, and games are running off of a 4 terabyte Crucial P3 NVMe M.2. So there is zero bottleneck on this card. This card is, as I said, having the opportunity to be all it can be. So, taking a look at the settings, we have it turned down as low as we can go. I mean, I guess you could go below 1080, but, I mean, come on, 1080 is the baseline now. So we're running 1080p resolution, VSync's off, and we have all the settings are turned down as low as they will go. Everything is low or off. Oh, look, I missed something. Let's see here. Okay, good. Last time I tried changing anything in the middle of the game, it really was not happy, and it really freaked out. So that time it did. So we're running it at performance. There is an ultra performance, but it compromises visual quality too bad. Everything becomes blurry and pixelated, and it's not playable. So the performance FX 2.1 is the lowest you can effectively go without compromising, let's say, playability. I do have the field of view turned up. That probably is a small hit on performance, but I really like a wide field of view, so I'm going to leave that. Motion blur is turned off. And now we do have everything low or turned off. So the thing I have found with Cyberpunk 2077 is that you don't need 60 FPS. I know everybody thinks they need 60 FPS. Somewhere in the neighborhood of a solid 30, but it's got to be a solid 30. It can't be dropping from, 35 down to 5 and then back up to 22 and then up to 45 and then down to 18. Like, it can't be, none of that. It's got to stay above 30 the whole time, and that will give you a smooth, playable frame rate on this game, or at least that's what I have found. And that is what pairing the 960 with a chip like the 13900K is going to do for you. So if you drop a card like this on a build like this, because, I don't know, whatever, you want to see if you can live with it and not spend $2,000 on a video card, you want to hold yourself over until you get the money to buy a card. I don't know, your 4090 broke and you're waiting for it to come back from warranty, and you've got your old 960 sitting around, whatever, what have you. Or you're just curious. The game does specify a minimum 3 gigs of video RAM. It's not actually supposed to run on a 2 gig card, but hey, here we go. You will absolutely not have this result if you pair this video card with, say, a 4790K. It will not even be close to this. This performance, for all the people that try to say that, oh, that's not real, because I get those all the time. It's so dumb. People are like, there's no way that's real. You can't hit that frame rate with that video card. Yes, you can, but it is paired with a CPU that's just massively overpowered for the video card. There is zero bottleneck. I probably should have shown CPU usage, GPU usage on the thing, but I mean, if I really shouldn't have to show you that if you have a clue what's going on here. So absolutely, you can do that. You can get playable frame rate. It's just, you've got to pair it with a really fast CPU, which is what we've done here. Anyway, we're going to do a few minutes and just kind of run around the city, see how it looks, see if there's anywhere we go that slows it below a smooth frame rate. So I am going to kill the mic and turn the volume up here.
Anyone there? Answer me.
¡Órale, prepárate, culera! ¡Que ya te cayó la verga!
You feel that? Fuck yeah!
¡Solo Valentinos!
¡Órale!
Esto te pasa por meterte con los dinos.
¡A huevo, carajo! ¡Get the bitch! ¡Sácate mucho la chingada! ¡A punto de estallar!
One sec! Do you let me fucking reload?
You there? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Are you getting what you want out of life?
¡Órale! From this side! Se la estoy dejando ir doblada. ¡Perfecto! I am the hand of God.
Okay, so even running on some fairly fast-paced action stuff, it's not pretty, but it's absolutely playable. And I'll tell you the truth, even when compared with this, paired with my 4090, honestly, it's just as much fun. The story is still here. The general gist of the game is still here, even if it's not running at the prettiest graphics. So, I really think people, I think it's funny that people think they have to be running at the highest settings and stuff. I do both. I mess around with systems like this, and it's fun, and I mess around with systems like my, this system with my, my 4090, and it's fun. I mean, they're both fun. So, definitely a few areas where there was a little. I didn't really see a lot of slowdown. I didn't see a lot of like dropping below smooth. I saw a lot more of just situations where the quality dropped, especially on like some of the explosions and stuff like that. There was definitely some quality dropping, where the quality of the image got pretty low. But as far as frame rate, it was pretty playable throughout, in my opinion. I mean, even these scenes where I'm doing combat, it's pretty playable. Anyway, I hope you guys find this interesting and informative, and thanks for watching the video.